Chair of Education in the Department of Urology, and we are here at the Urology Surgical Skills Fair, where we've invited the medical students to come to have the opportunity to visit several different sessions that we have where they can do things like learn to suture, they can place catheters in a simulator, they can handle a ureteroscope, which is what our endourologists do. It just gives our students a chance to sort of see what urology is all about.
This field has so much for everyone. There's so many different things that you can do in urology, and regardless of what discipline students are interested in, this is a great opportunity to connect with faculty for potential research projects, learn a little bit more about gowning, gloving, suturing, and gaining some surgical techniques for the rest, for any field that you can apply it to.
I've really enjoyed using the laparoscopic station and the kidney stone simulator behind me, mainly because, as medical students, I think we're very rarely trusted to, be holding these tools and actually, utilizing them. So it's really cool to be able to, be in an environment where you can learn without having a malpractice lawsuit. So that's been great. It's been awesome, helping organize this event, because it really does help expose medical students to urology, which, I think, at least from a medical student perspective, I think it's a great field.
So as I was referring to it at the beginning of my talk, that urology is not a specialty that every medical student is aware of when they're going to enter medical school.
As is often said, it's the best kept secret in surgery, and we are super excited to have all these students here with us tonight, and also to be able to have the opportunity to show them urology when they start rotating with us in January.